In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Wix website quickly and easily. Adding music can enhance your site's engagement and ambience, making it a more pleasant experience for visitors. So let's dive in and explore how you can make this addition effortlessly. First, let's begin by navigating to the Wix homepage. Open your preferred web browser and go to wix.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your Wix account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your main hub for managing your website. From the dashboard, look for the option that says Edit Site. This is usually located prominently on the interface and allows you to access the Wix editor. Click on Edit Site to open the editor interface. This is where all the magic happens. Once the Wix editor loads up, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a toolbar with various options. From this toolbar, look for and click on Add Elements. Adding elements is a crucial step because it opens up a world of possibilities for what you can include on your site, and that includes music. After selecting Add Elements, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down through these options until you find something labeled Video and Music. Click on that and you'll open up another panel filled with options specifically geared towards multimedia tools for your website. In this panel, you'll want to find and click on audio players. This section presents you with different styles and formats of audio players that you can incorporate. Whether you want a simple play button, a full track list, or something uniquely styled, there's an option here that will fit your needs. Now it's time to add the audio player to your site. Find an audio player design that suits your style and then simply click and drag it onto your web page. With Wix's intuitive drag and drop functionality, you can place the audio player wherever you see fit. It's a flexible system, allowing you to rearrange your page layout to accommodate the music player conveniently. And there you have it. Your website is now equipped with a music player. Don't forget to test it out to ensure it's working perfectly. Preview your site to make sure your audio player enhances the visitor experience without hindrance. Adding music to your Wix website can really transform how users interact with your content, creating a more dynamic and captivating atmosphere. Experiment with different types of audio and placements until you find the perfect fit for your vision. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more great tips on customizing your Wix site.